In this video, I explain how to buy shares of Dianthus Therapeutics Inc, traded on NASDAQ under the ticker DNTH. Dianthus is a clinical-stage biopharmaceutical company focused on developing therapies in the biotech sector. This clip is for educational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. To buy DNTH, you need a broker account. I'll use eToro as a neutral example to show the process. After signing up, you will typically be asked to verify your account with a government ID and to add funds before you can place a trade. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker DNTH to locate the stock quickly. Make sure you select the listing that shows Dianthus Therapeutics Inc. on NASDAQ to find the correct instrument. On the stock page, you will see basic company information and a price chart for DNTH. Review the company summary and verify the NASDAQ listing to confirm you're on the correct page. To invest, click Buy, choose the amount you want to spend, then review the order details before confirming. If the market is closed, your order may be queued as a market or limit order depending on your choice. If your balance is insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add funds before the order is accepted. Once the trade executes, your DNTH position will appear in your portfolio. Check the link in the video description for the example platform and further resources.